TurboLearn iReview 2025. Is it the right iLearning tool for you? TurboLearn I is a new AI-powered learning platform in 2025, but is it right for you? Most people get this wrong by assuming it's just another online course tool, but TurboLearn uses AI to personalize learning based on your pace and strengths. Step 1. After signing up, TurboLearn assesses your skill level and learning goals. You won't believe what happens next. It then adjusts content difficulty and recommends micro lessons tailored to your progress. Step 2. TurboLearn tracks your performance and identifies gaps. It provides real-time feedback and practice questions, making learning adaptive and efficient. Step 3. Integration with other tools is seamless. TurboLearn supports note-taking apps, calendars, and even AI-powered flashcards to reinforce learning outside the platform. Pricing is subscription-based, with a free trial to test features. Compared to traditional courses, TurboLearn saves time by focusing only on areas you need to improve. The surprising truth is that AI-driven learning can outperform standard methods if used correctly, and TurboLearn's system ensures that lessons stick without wasting time. If you want personalized learning, real-time feedback, and AI-driven efficiency, TurboLearn I is definitely worth exploring.